My boyfriend was here earlier. He said that you wrote your phone number or his receipt, and I'm just here to check you and say, like, control your hormones or whatever's going on. I know he fine. His name Antoine. You work with her?
Let me explain something to you.
Yeah.
I don't care about you nor Antoine. When you walk in here, say good morning like we said to you.
Oh, okay. Good morning.
Yeah. I don't care about no Antoine. I don't care none of that. You
I said good morning.
No, I'm asking you. You want to order food?
Yeah, I am. Can I finish with that? I
No,
want to check
I don't want to hear
her.
about none of that. You're not checkmating nothing here.
Danita.
I'm checking all. I'm checking lists and everything.
Danita, it's Christmas.
And you had ho ho ho. Yes, baby. Right back at you. You want some chicken?
Oh my God! All of y'all coming?
Yeah, welcome to our store. You ain't about to come in and checkmate nothing about.
Oh my God! I thought I was in the suburbs. I thought this North Philly.
And Chester.
Northwest Chester. We don't know who you talking to, bro. And ain't nobody up in here with no.
If I would have got my nails done,